How to record calls on iPhone, secret iPhone feature. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can record calls on iPhone, and this is actually just a secret iPhone feature, so make sure to stick with me till the end. You might want to record calls which is your offline calls on your iPhone. Can you do that? Well, let me answer to you. Let's say that you're in a WhatsApp or Messenger call. Now in this case I'm talking about online calls such as your social media calls for Snapchat, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook or WhatsApp or Viber or whatever else as such. You can record those type of calls by simply using a feature called screen recording. So swipe down your control center. Right here you can see the screen recording icon. If you haven't done this, you can add it from your settings. Long press on the screen recording icon first. Make sure that microphone is actually enabled, because if this is not enabled, it's not going to record this sound. After you've done that, you can just begin the start recording option, and now you can go ahead and then make a call and then test it out for yourself whether it is actually going to record the audio or not. And most likely this is 99% going to work. Now the problem with this method is that it only works on online calls, which means, as I told earlier, for social media calls, but it doesn't work on offline calls that you make from your phone application. And to give you the idea, unfortunately iOS does not let you record calls on iPhone for free, which means even if you go to your app store over here and then in the search box you go ahead and then type in call recording, you'll be able to see many of the applications on the list. Even though these applications claims to be that they are free, they are actually not free. You can see I've tested out most of these and then I have downloaded them, but they just ask you to pay a certain amount of price. So on the free version you will not be able to go ahead and then record calls on your iPhone for free. Unfortunately, you have to pay a certain amount of price. If you'd like to record calls for free on your iPhone, the only thing you can do is just try to switch to an Android device that will let you record calls for absolutely free without any announcement and so on. But iOS, so far as of this video is being made, there is no any other way I can suggest to you. You can record WhatsApp calls and so on using screen recording, but you cannot record the offline calls. You can actually download the app, purchase the premium, and then only record offline calls if you'd like. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.